This is an unusual experimental thriller movie which I have never come across before. IMDb rating is 7.4 out of 10. It is also dubbed in Hindi. Let me tell you the story in brief. A primary school teacher, Roktim, has a pair of canines protruding like a Dracula. His student tease him by the name Dracula Sir. Sometimes his landlord and colleagues also make fun of him. Just as he is about to give up and conclude that he is not fit for this society, Roktim meets Amol Shom, a freedom fighter. He starts reading books on Naxalites. He starts believing that he was reborn as Amol Shom. He has hallucinations about his past life, which also included a girlfriend called Monjuri. This non-linear story shows the events happening in two different timelines. The story keeps jumping from present era to the past, year 1970s. Rokte wants to take revenges of all the injustice done to him in his last birth. When he empowers his Dracula-like characteristics within him, he starts hurting people like a vampire with his teeth and drinks their blood. These twin characteristics of Raktim are played by Anirban Bhattacharya very efficiently. Apart from lead role, all performances of other actors are really nice. The story of this film is based around the stories of a revolution during the Maoist movement. This movie is available on Hoichoi and Z5. It's a must-watch movie. This is a slow burn narrative drama. Actor Prosenjit Chatterjee won the Best Actor Award at Dadasaheb Phalke Film Festival 2020. This film has an IMDb rating of 7.1 and the story starts in the mountains with two colleagues who are on a regular office tour. Nature plays a very effective role here. One senior engineer Biplab Sen and his assistant Bhaskar went to check out a plot in North Bengal for a resort. Both of them are very different in nature. Bhaskar has joined this company recently. He dislikes his middle-aged senior Biplab Sen. Poor network connectivity in this hilly area irritates Bhaskar very much. Biplab thinks Bhaskar is missing his girlfriend madly. So he starts talking about love to ease the situation. How his perception of today's couple differs from Biplab's time when there were no mobile phones. He talks about the problem of generation gap. Initial disliking between two colleagues turns into a friendship after some time. They start sharing their personal lives. Biplab says he travels in search of mental peace because his wife Jonaki suffers from depression because of repeated miscarriage. Bhaskar says only few things about his wife and his secret marriage. Their friendship come to an end in no time due to unfortunate circumstances. But at the end of movie, debutant director Chandrasis Roy shows how the things continue in their lives afterward. You definitely have to give this movie a watch. The director brilliantly keeps up with the movie's name, which is continuity, that is no interruptions like human life. It is must-watch movie. It is available on Z5. This is an excellent slow burn solo act Bengali thriller acted by Swastika Mukherjee. 92% of Google users liked this film. It is the story of one of hundreds of housemakers out there. Sujata, who is stuck in her apartment with an abusive husband during this lockdown. Her husband sits in front of television shouting out orders all days. The mood is that of a Sunday. Every day is Sunday during lockdown, and every day is a terror for Sujata. She has found a way to coexist with her unfaithful, ungrateful husband simply by being alone, watching films on television, and making friends with the rats in the house. She also loves fragrance from food, tea, plants. She dislikes noise. She even does not like to talk with anyone. The film shows the loneliness, mental pressure of the homemaker. At the same time, it reveals innocent mood of this homemaker. She talks alone in front of camera. At the end, unable to cope up with everything, Sujata decides to take some drastic measures. Find out in whose favor. You should give a watch once in a while, Joy. Personally, I love this film. Swastika was awarded for the brilliant portrayal of Sujata. If you like this movie list, then please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to get the notification of part 2 of must watch movie list. Thanks for watching.